Hello, Kenta friends. In this video, we will be discussing the best Android applications for removing photo backgrounds. We will take a closer look at PhotoRoom, Snap Edit Background, and Blend Background Eraser, and see how they can help you edit your photos seamlessly. Without further ado, let's dive into the background removal apps. PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom is the most popular and sought-after application among Android users for automatically removing photo backgrounds. This application uses advanced technology to separate objects from the background with high precision, allowing users to edit photos with high-quality results. In addition to removing backgrounds, PhotoRoom also provides various other editing features, such as background replacement, color adjustment, removal of unwanted objects, and many more. With a user interface and outstanding capabilities, PhotoRoom is the top choice for professionally editing photo backgrounds on Android devices. Snap Edit Background. Snap Edit Background is another very useful application for easily and quickly removing photo backgrounds. This application comes with a variety of tools that allow users to edit backgrounds with high precision and customize photos as desired. In addition to removing backgrounds, Snap Edit Background also offers features for changing backgrounds, adjusting colors, and various other editing features. With a simple yet effective interface, this application is suitable for users who want to edit photo backgrounds quickly without hassle. Blend Background Eraser. Blend Background Eraser is a background removal application that offers comprehensive features for editing photos in various ways. This application allows users to remove backgrounds with high precision, change backgrounds, adjust colors, remove unwanted objects, and many other editing features. Additionally, Blend Background Eraser also enables users to blend two photos into one with seamless transitions. With an intuitive interface and high-quality results, this application is highly recommended for users who want to professionally and creatively edit photo backgrounds on their Android devices. And that wraps up our review of the top photo background removal apps for Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.